Chapter 11, Lesson 1, Pedestrians. Of all roadway users, pedestrians are the most vulnerable. In the United States, collisions injure an average of one pedestrian every 8 minutes and kill one pedestrian in every 108 minutes. Objective: identify factors that put pedestrians at risk. Children and seniors are at the highest risk. Children are less visible to drivers and often lack judgment to know when it is safe to cross streets. Seniors may not hear or see well, and some may walk more slowly. Some pedestrians are careless and take chances. Some pedestrians jaywalk or disregard traffic rules and signals. Nearly half of all pedestrian fatalities involve the use of alcohol by drivers or the pedestrian. Explain the correct procedure for interacting with pedestrians in different situations. Protecting pedestrians. Pedestrians may cross a road anywhere. Use the IPTA process. Always be ready to yield to pedestrians. Be particularly alert in the following situations. Crosswalks. Pedestrians have the right of way when crossing within a crosswalk. Some crosswalks are controlled by signals. However, signals may not give pedestrians enough time to clear the crosswalk. Drivers must yield into the crosswalk is clear even if the light is green. Interactions. At intersections, many pedestrians are struck just as they step into the streets because attention to the surroundings. What two high-risk behaviors are pedestrians demonstrating? Okay. They're talking to each other and they're not making contact with the road, eye contact with road people, and the light behind them is red, and they're still crossing. Collisions with pedestrians often occur when vehicles are turning left because drivers are concentrating on traffic lights and their turning maneuvers, and they fail to see the pedestrians. Search carefully for pedestrians before committing to a left turn. When driving turn right on red, pedestrians have less opportunity to cross safely. Before turning left on red, always yield to pedestrians who are approaching in the roadway. Alleys and roadways. When approaching a sidewalk from an alley or roadway, expect pedestrians to appear from either direction. When your line of sight is restricted, make 2 stops. Business districts. Business districts typically have heavy traffic and many pedestrians. Both drivers and pedestrians are subject to many distractions. Residential area. When driving in residential area, reduce speed and use a lane position with the best visibility. Crosswalks on residential streets are not typically marked. Although joggers are safer on sidewalks and jogging paths, expect to see them in streets and in traffic lanes. Always be ready to slow, steer around, and stop for joggers. Watch for children playing in the street. Reduce visibility. Most collisions with pedestrians occur at night. When a roadway is poorly lit, it can be a challenge to see pedestrians, especially ones wearing dark clothing. Watch for pedestrians walking along or across the roadway. Rain, snow, and sleet often cause pedestrians to be more concerned about the weather than the traffic. Describe actions that pedestrians can take to ensure their safety. Pedestrians' responsibility. Be responsible for your own safety as a pedestrian. Make yourself visible. Walk on sidewalks or walk so you are facing traffic. Use crosswalks and obey traffic signals. Watch for oncoming traffic every time you cross a street. Do not walk into traffic lanes from between parked vehicles. If you have to walk on the road because there is no sidewalk, be sure to face the traffic. Review. List several reasons why young children and seniors are especially vulnerable as pedestrians. List 6 situations in which you should be particularly careful to search for pedestrians.